Welcome to this hidden video. If you got here by spotting clues in another video, congratulations. You have sharp eyes and great deductive skills. If you got here by accident, just know that you're in Shred World, a channel devoted to outdoor activities away from technology. Either way, there may be other hidden videos just like this one, and not just in the mountain bike series. In this video, we'll look at how different camera settings and mounting positions affect the look of our videos. We're using GoPro Hero 9 Black presets for the camera settings. We'll test three settings: Super View, Activity, and Slow-Mo. We'll test these 5 camera mounting positions. We'll run all our tests on the same segment of the trail. Here the camera is mounted on the helmet and we're using the Super View preset. Super View means we're using the widest and tallest field of view. The camera is still mounted on the helmet and we're using the Activity preset. 2.7K, 60 frames per second, and linear field of view. Linear is a wide field of view with no fisheye effect. And this is the helmet mount in slow-mo. This slow-mo preset works well, but it's really not suited to demonstrating POV trail riding. The fisheye lens of the Super View makes the trees on the right side look bent. Here's the camera on the chest mount. These are Super View and Activity presets. We've given up on the slow-mo. You're probably as bored with it as we are. The camera's mounted on the seat, facing backwards. Here the camera is mounted on the handlebars horizontally. And here it's mounted on the handlebars, pointing down. Once again, notice how the fisheye effect of the Super View makes the edge of the bridge look curved. The linear setting in the Activity preset keeps it straight. So which combination is best? We use them all, but for us, if we're shooting point of view videos, we feel the chest-mounted camera with any linear field of view delivers the best viewing experience. Thanks for watching. If you're collecting hidden Shred World videos, this is number 3.